Okay, let's see what's cracking today. It's been a little bit, not necessarily for um, these uploads, but because I have been not here, actually recording it and opening things. I missed that. So, why don't we do an extra one today? Just because. Alright, let's get rolling. We have 10 rows, 19 packs each, and we'll see what we get. 5, 1, 7, and 8. Let's roll 4 packs. We got 15, 19. Ooh, 19 again. Do we get a triple? And 9. No, it's not. Let's 19, 18, 17, 16, 15 here. 19 very easy. 19 once again very easy. And 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, we'll open these the order we hold them. We'll start with the Masters. Ooh, an art card. I think they do go this way. We have the Swamp, Nadir's Nightblade, Heartpiercer Bow, Renowned Weaponsmith, Ulamog's Crusher, Kozilek's Predator, Dread Drone, Custody Squire, Bastion from Everence, Mace of the Valiant, Yahenni, Tuya Bearclaw, Stitcher Your Elf, and Runescar Demon. And Kaikar. I love Kaikar. This might be one of my favorite decks. That's so fun. That excites me. Alright, Double Master, let's see what we get here. These ones, I'm gonna go this way. Sloomgar Scavenger, Crushing Vines, Lightning Axe, Bloodbriar, Peace Strider, Vidalcan Infuser, Ego Construct, Crusader Vodder, Buried Ruin, Aureox Salvagers, Thirst for Knowledge, a Beacon of Unrest, and a Grand Architect, an Elvish Apparition, a Springleaf Drum. Huh. Alright, let's see what we find in Domino. An Artillery Blast, Sacred Peaks, Sunbathing Woodwalla, Essence Scatter, Mossbeard Ancient, Frostfist Strider, ooh, a Fancy Forest, Najal the Stormer, Haughty Djinn, the Reaver Cleaver, Balmor, Ramirez de Pietro, Mojave Caleria, Revatus of the Claw, and an Angel and Archangel of Wrath. Huh. Very good. Alright. for a Tali here. Alright, Cosmic Under, Swift Water Cliffs, a Tidal Terror, Rawls Reinforcements, Inspired Charge, Zerg Strobe Knit, Captive Weird, Mountain, the Invasion of Arcavios, Deep-Root Wayfinder, Felspest Talent, Agar, the Freezing Flame, Rial, the Master's List, ooh, in the Hollow Foil, Sheholdred. Oh yeah, this is not the Sheholdred exactly we were hoping for with Dominaria. It would have been nice, but I'll always say Sheholdred. And Lutri, the Spell Chaser. Okay, that was a whole lot of fun, but in the mood for one more. One more. Summary Judgment, Greater Mossdog, Scab Clan Mauler, Solana Ledgewalker, Demon Fire, 2 Arms, Silent Dart, a Chromatic Lantern, that's not bad, Face Fetters, a Frilled Mystic, a Boros Guildgate, a Warranton Warden, Gigantoplasm, and Domri Raid, and Light from the Loam. That's also not bad. Alright, that'll do it for today. We'll see what's cracking again tomorrow.